Hello everybody, my name is Aditya Bayu Putranto. I'm an Associate Technical Advisor of Synex Metrodata Indonesia. And today we will discuss about how to upgrade Ruckus Unleashed from standalone to Unleashed. So we need to upgrade from standalone to Unleashed if we need to implement Unleashed mode in Access Point. And the prerequisite of this activity is we need to download firmware Ruckus at partner portal at www.support.ruckuswireless.com, and then we go to download tab and go to software tab. And then the procedure is go to maintenance tab, and then we go up to upgrade tab, and then we press the upgrade button. So this is the demo. First of all, we need to go to 168.0.168.0.1. This is the default IP address of Ruckus Access Point. And then in here, we got information that this access point work in standalone mode. And to install firmware from standalone to Unleashed, we need to go to maintenance and then we go to upgrade and we select local. There is another method to upgrade. There is TFTP and then FTP and then web to access via web Ruckus and then go to local. And for today we will using local upgrade. And this is the file. Need to remember that standalone, the first number is 110, and then the Unleashed access point, the first number is 200. And then we go to perform upgrade button. And we need to wait around 1 to 2 minutes. We can check via ping to 192.168.0.1. And right now the access point still waiting to upgrade. Okay, I think I need to do the process once again. Perform upgrade. think that there is some mistakes. The ping to access point still working. This means the access point is not yet rebooted. Okay. I will try to upgrade once again. And then after we wait around couple of minutes and the upgrade is finished and we can access to 192.168.0.1. And this is the setting wizard page of Ruckus Unleashed. I think we need to wait a couple of minutes because the loading is very slowly. Or maybe we can open it in Firefox. Okay, the upgrade process is done and we now can continue to configure the access point to basic configuration. In the next video, we will discuss about how to configure basic configuration of Unleashed access point. And I hope this is informative for you and thank you for viewing.